Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get verification code from Google Authenticator app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Authenticator app and log into your account. This is your starting point for setting up two-factor authentication and generating those verification codes you'll need for secure sign-ins. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the top right part of your mobile screen where you'll see your account icon. Tap on your profile icon to access your profile menu. This is where you can manage various settings related to your Google account security. From the profile menu that appears, tap on Manage your Google account. This will take you to your main account dashboard where you can control all aspects of your Google services. Under your Google account page, look for Security and sign in and open it. This section is crucial as it contains all the tools you need to protect your account, including password settings, recovery options, and authentication methods. Once you're in the security settings, scroll through the options until you find Authenticator and tap on it. This is the feature that links your Google account to the Authenticator app for that extra layer of protection. At this point, you might be prompted to enter your account password to verify your identity. Go ahead and enter your Google account password to confirm it's really you making these changes. This security step ensures no one else can modify your authentication settings without your permission. Once verified, tap on Setup Authenticator. You'll now be presented with two options for configuring your authenticator. You can either scan the QR code to automatically configure the app, which is the faster method, or tap on the Can't Scan It link. If you choose the second option, you'll be presented with a 4-step instruction guide. Simply follow these instructions carefully as they'll walk you through the manual setup process. Now head back to your Google Authenticator app. Tap on the plus button located on the bottom right part of your mobile screen. This button allows you to add new accounts to your authenticator. From here, you'll see two options for adding an authenticator to your Gmail account. Select Enter a Setup Key. This is the manual entry method that works perfectly when you can't scan a QR code. All you have to do now is add in the 32-character key from Gmail that you received earlier. Type it carefully into the field provided, making sure every character is correct. Then add a name for this account in the account name field so you can easily identify it later, especially if you're using the authenticator for multiple accounts. Once you've entered both the key and the account name, press the Add button. Once added, you'll be presented with the verification code that you need to enter back to your Google account to complete the authenticator link. This 6-digit code refreshes every 30 seconds and is what you'll use going forward whenever you sign into your Google account. Simply copy this code and paste it into the verification field on your Google account page, and you're all set with two-factor authentication enabled. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.